Where am I? I kidnapped you. Why? To sell human trafficking. Okay, what's this? Hey, don't touch that. That's my college exam prep book. I'm trying to study and go to college. These answers are all wrong. What? No, there's no way. See, this is a problem. You have to do like this. Please, no more. It's been 27 hours. I can't do this anymore. Shut the fuck up, bitch. We do this until you get it right. One more time. What is the fucking factorial of the X?
I don't know. I don't know.
You're free to go. I'm unkidnapping you. No. Now I kidnapping you. You don't leave till you finish textbook 1 to 1272.
I'm so hungry.
Have some rice.
Where did that even come from?
Don't ask questions.